Hey YouTubers, I thought I'd do a quick review of my Keter work table. I've had it for years now. I'll leave the date when I bought it on the video. And it's been outdoors in my balcony for years, and it's got a lot of rain on it and dust and sawdust from working and so on. And I've used it for so many things, and it's still, the condition is still excellent. It's got a lot of surface dust and grime and so on. I need to take it downstairs and hose it off. But there's no parts that have fallen off, rust or anything, and it still works perfectly. And I use it for so many things. This is a project I've been working on. This is a little alcohol Trangia stove, and I've been experimenting with a can to make a pot holder and a windscreen, and it didn't work out too well. 100% alcohol, it just was too hot and started burning, making fumes from the metal and so on. But I'll do a little more work on the project. But the table, I think there's two things you need. If you're not cutting or doing a lot of heavy work and you have a very small space, if you put these under your legs, these are little sliders. I bought them at Harbor Freight. I think they were free for if you purchase over $30 or something. And I cut them in 4 pieces, put them under the legs, and the table's easy to move around the balcony if you have a small space. The other thing is you need a vise. The table comes with a lot of clamp attachments. But this type of vise is really handy sometimes where the table vise doesn't work. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to take apart. Actually, we're not taking it apart. We're just closing it. This is a nice piece of oak. These mats are really handy for projects. These are the slots to attach the clamps, but I hardly ever use them. Underneath here is a little flat piece that folds in and out that helps lock the table, but you want to press this and pull it down, and then just on the side rag off. Oh, I had the box. I had the tool case underneath. These pieces are all aluminum or heavy-duty plastic, and they haven't corroded or rusted at all. Oh, and to open it's even simpler. You just push this piece back in, and this locks. So there you go, guys. This has been on my balcony for years, and it's worked out really good for me. You can use it for so many things and takes up very little space. Hope the video helps. I'll leave a link for it in my video description. And also, when this works out, I'll leave a video on this. Because I think these Trangia stoves are going to be good for using at home instead of just camping. In like emergency situations. Alright guys, take care. See you out there.